Hello, and today I'm going to be talking about the DJI sale on Amazon. Amazon Prime Day, as you all probably know, is a great sale on Amazon where sellers and resellers reduce all their prices massively for 36 hours. But DJI this year is doing a 30% sale on all their old stock. This includes Mavic Pro, Spark, Inspire, and even the Phantom 4 series. Now, in this sale, as you may have guessed, as you can see here, the Mavic Pro is £200 off, which is the biggest ever sale there has been on a Mavic Pro, which is amazing. Now, what's the reason behind this? Well, the reason behind this is because later this month, DJI is going to release the Mavic Pro 2, which there has been some leaked photos of and linked research of, and we have a pretty good idea of what's to come with that, but I'm going to get into that later. The question I'm posing today is, do you buy your Mavic Pro in the sale today with your £200 off, which is the best ever discount you can get, cheapest you're ever going to get it, or do you wait another month and see what the Mavic Pro 2 is like? Well, it's a very risky process, and I'm going to go into telling you today what suits you better. Now, obviously, with the Mavic Pro being £200 off, this does reduce the cost massively. But what cost can you expect from the Mavic Pro 2? Well, we have a look here. This is obviously just a rumours page, but I'll go through some of the specs of what you can expect from the Mavic Pro 2. Also rumoured to have a lot higher price tag. The Mavic Pro Fly More combo currently goes for about £1,200, roughly the same with dollars as well, I think. But the Mavic Pro 2 is rumoured to start at about £1,300, and then obviously the Fly More combo will be even more than that, probably 200, 300, maybe more. So you're looking at the sort of current Phantom 4 range price, which is obviously very expensive for a pretty much the same drone. But what else is rumoured with the Mavic 2? Well, an interesting thing they've done with the camera and the gimbal is the same sort of thing as the GoPro drone does. Obviously, DJI will do it better. It's rumoured to have a detachable gimbal and camera, which means you can then put it on a DJI stick. You can see the design plan here. Which this would be a brilliant device because it will be quite similar to what you've got now with the Osmo devices, and it's just a seamless gimbal and it's quite a small level, and if you've got the drone, then you've got the gimbal as well, always on you all at the same time, which would be very handy. What else you've got? The physicalities with the drone, it's very similar with what's been leaked so far. The drone is pretty much the same. It's rumoured to be a bit bigger because obviously it's got a bigger, heavier camera on it. So slightly larger, maybe slightly heavier. The main thing is the camera difference, might be a bigger sensor. And this bigger camera is also rumoured to have 4K at 60 frames per second opposed to the current 1080p at 60 frames per second, which may help you out if you're doing sport photography of any kind or sport videography with your drone. It is also rumoured to have a longer flight time. Instead of 27 minutes with current Mavic Pro, it's also rumoured to have a 32-minute flight time and possible infrared 3D image censoring technology, which means you can fly in the dark and it can still have 360-degree obstacle avoidance. But that I would think to have an iffy rumour. But that's about it. Which, yes, the camera improvements are going to be very good. But what you have to think is that worth spending an extra £500–600? You're spending £500–600 for having the removable camera head, which would be quite useful. But again, it would be a lot cheaper just to buy a DJI Osmo on the side of that. So, it's decision time. Will you be spending £200 less than current price getting a DJI Mavic? Or will you be waiting an extra month to see what the DJI Mavic 2 is like? One more point to add, if you do wait for the DJI Mavic 2, you will probably be waiting another 6 to 8 months for the actual release of this drone. So, hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you've cracked down on your decision. Comment below what your decision is, whether you're going to get a Mavic, whether you're going to get a Mavic 2 when it comes out, or whether you're just not going to get a drone and waste hundreds and hundreds of pounds. Yeah, my decision is probably going to be the Mavic Pro. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've liked it. Please like the like button below, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful. Goodbye.